Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we'll be unboxing the Black & Decker hammer drill 500 watts. So let's first have a look around the box and see what's written on here. So this is a 220 to 240 volt, 50 over 60 Hz, 2800 RPM and 500 watts, and this is made in China, and this is the model number, the exact model number, and it has a 2-year guarantee or warranty. So let's have a look here and a look at the back. Anything here, and let's open it up. So we'll open it from here. So let's see what we have. Okay, so first things first, this is the owner's manual. The contact information for several countries, and then this is the 5 drill heads included with the drill, and this is the drill itself. And let's have a look around. Let's see here. So this is the settings, and this is the button to turn it on, and here we have the voltage information, and as I said, this is made in China. And this is the power plug. You have to take this off for use. This is a 13 ampere plug, 250 volts. So let's have some information. So how do you put one of these drill heads here? So you will need this tool which comes with the drill. Let's take it out. So this is a handy place for you to store the tool, so you'll never lose it, hopefully. So we take this tool and we insert it here or here, and then you turn, and when you turn, this will tighten or will close these 3 pins here. So let's say, for example, now this will not go in, we have to turn it counterclockwise, see, and now it fits inside. Then we turn it clockwise until it's tight. So now will not move. Let's plug this in and turn it on. We'll have this power supply, and now let's see it in action. A lot of air is coming from this side and inside the ventilation because the motor is here. So these are the various drilling bits. And the instruction and warranty contact information, and that's all that comes in the box. So see you next video. Bye bye.